Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some Jamaican gungo rice and peas. Yes guys, so here I have some water and my stove is on high. The water is boiling and now we have some gungo peas that we soak overnight. Guys, these are very easy to cook. Yes. So now I'm gonna leave that to cook a little bit. And then I'll get back to you guys once it's ready. So yes guys, now our gungo peas is ready. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some thyme, scallion, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, you can use a green scotch bonnet pepper if you want. So guys, remember, like old time days, Christmas time, around them time that, or whenever, you know, your grandparents or your parents used to add a piece of pigtail to the gungo rice and peas. What nice stuff. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. Man, those days. So now we're gonna leave this to cook a little to lock in. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some coconut milk. So guys, we will be using the canned coconut milk today, but you can feel free to go ahead and like buy a coconut and grate it and use it. Both of them give you a different taste, you know, but it works the same way because it's rich. The brand that I'm using is very rich and full of flavor. So now we add a teaspoon of salt, so guys, now that it's coming down to Thanksgiving, this is one of my what I do for Thanksgiving, the gungo rice and peas or the kidney bean. So now that we're locking everything here, we're gonna leave it to simmer for a little bit. And we did also add some butter, and we have some pimento seed that we add to our gungo rice and peas, guys. So this is optional. If you want to, you can add it to it, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So we're making sure that we simmer everything down, make sure the coconut. So I add a little piece of garlic to my gungo rice and peas, guys. That is also optional. You don't have to do it. And I also add my ginger. So now I'm using the basmati rice, guys. So I already washed it already. So now I'm adding it to our well cooked gungo rice and peas. This looks so amazing, guys. Just the flavors and all the aroma up in the kitchen. Wow. Smell like grandma kitchen on Sunday morning, outdoor kitchen too, you know, guys. Wood fire and thing. Yeah. So now we're gonna make sure we stir everything in and lock in every spices and herbs, guys. And yeah, this is easy, very easy, authentic Jamaican gungo rice and peas. So now we do that, we're gonna put our lid on And guys, when we come back, our gungo peas would be ready. So yes guys, watch rice, shelly and nice, yum yum. So this is Pal's Island Kitchen style of preparing her gungo rice and peas. And guys, I do hope you enjoy. For all my new subscribers, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. And for my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love and your support, and for always coming back. And as my brother youngest would have say, wait a minute, like up the video now, like up the video. So see you in the next time. Live good, love God, and guys, I hope you do enjoy my presentation with some gungo rice and peas and some brown stew chicken and some pasta salad.